पर कच्चे में तो अगर ये मैं फाड़ूं और इसके चिथड़े उड़ जाएं, मतलब अलग अलग पार्ट्स हो जाएं तो पर कच्चे।
It's got nothing to do with underwear.
No, that is कच्चे। It is for कच्चे।
Okay, fine. I'm not going to be discovered. I'm already, people know who I am.
Actor
They
है,
need
already
to
पता
see
है।
me in a new light.
Spike in opportunities, spike in recognition. Yeah, there was an elevation there, but again, it's okay. Some things go through and some things don't.
डांस, वो जो एक कला है, वो जो नृत्य है, मैंने उसको पूरा एंजॉय किया है। मेरी पूरी बीइंग ने उसे एंजॉय किया है। Now and then when I have hosted, I hosted without any baggages, without any inhibitions. मैं स्टेज पे चढ़ता था और just I enjoyed it. I enjoyed myself.
Hi, this is Ankita
मैं
from
क्या करूँ?
E-Times.
क्या करूँ मैं? क्या कर ready. Energy, come on. Yes, start.
So welcome to E-Times. Straight away, let's
Thank
dive
you.
into
Thank you.
11-11.
Yes.
Let's do it.
Lovely trailer. And आपने तो ट्रेलर लॉन्च पे बोला था कि परकच्चे उड़ जाएंगे,
हाँ.
बट स्क्रिप्ट पढ़ के कितने परकच्चे उड़े?
मैं एक सवाल है मेरा.
हाँ.
What is परकच्चे?
मतलब कि एकदम सारे चीजें
You'll be like amazed and shocked.
नहीं वो मुझे, but what exactly is the word परकच्चे?
पर कच्चे में तो अगर ये मैं फाड़ूं और इसके चिथड़े उड़ जाएं, मतलब अलग अलग पार्ट्स हो जाएं तो पर
Mind is
कच्चे।
blown.
It's got nothing to do with underwear.
No, that is कच्चे। It is for कच्चे।
Okay, fine.
This is like a मुहावरा.
Fine. ये मैं उस दिन से क्लैरिफाई करना चाह रही थी, आज आपके माध्यम से मैं कर पाई हूँ. Thank you very much.
So was your mind blown while you read the script? All
Yes.
three of you.
Yes.
Tell me, how did you feel?
Yep, absolutely. It's so different. Nothing like anything like this that we've seen, especially in the Hindi cinema space.
Yeah.
So it was so different, so unique. Big opportunity backed by the biggest producers in our country and by a solid director, even better person. So yeah, really intrigued by the moment you start reading it.
Absolutely. And also about your characters, and what did you think? Was it more about the whole story on the whole, or was it your particular characters that really drew you towards doing it?
I think it's always a combination of both to some extent. First of all, the first read of something, the story has to make sense to you. It has to be exciting. तभी तो आप उसको पूरा पढ़ेंगे. I think in that one reading you get to know whether that's something you would like to watch as an audience or not, whether it's your zone or not. So that's one thing. And the second thing is definitely the character. For me, particularly in this one, because I thought it was so interesting that my character is in the past as well, past and the present as well. I thought that it was a big canvas for me to paint on. I got to play a young rookie officer, but in the present timeline, you see her as a DSP who's leading a unit. So. And a lot that goes on between that, which changes her personality, changes her personally, professionally and everything. So it was almost like playing two characters almost in one show. And that's what was compelling for me.
Absolutely. Raghav, for you, this is such a refreshing change for fans from Kill, especially this coming after Kill. How satisfying is it as an actor, the whole transition and variety that people will see you in this after Kill?
बहुत सैटिस्फाइंग लगता है यार कि मुझे एक तो मैं जब किल कर ली थी और वो सब कैरेक्टर कर लिया था और मुझे ऐसा लगा मैंने पता नहीं कितनी झंडे गाड़ दिए अब एक्टिंग में और मैंने अलग सा कुछ कैरेक्टर किया है ये तो मैं ऐसी स्क्रिप्ट पढ़ने से पहले मैंने थोड़ा हो गया था। मैंने जब स्क्रिप्ट पढ़नी शुरू करी, अपना कैरेक्टर को पढ़ना शुरू किया, पूरी स्क्रिप्ट मैंने देखी, तब मेरा पॉइंट होता नहीं एक सीरियल में मेरा वो हो गया था क्योंकि मैंने कहा ये कैसे करूँगा यार, बहुत चैलेंजिंग। उससे पहले जब मैं स्क्रिप्ट पढ़ रहा था मुझे क्वेश्चंस आ रहे थे एग्जिस्टेंस पे, मैं क्वेश्चन कर रहा था टाइम को, स्पेस को। मैंने कहा अगर ये मुझे पढ़ के ही रीडिंग से इमेजिनेशन में क्वेश्चन करवा रहा है तो जब जनता इस शो को देखेगी और वो क्राइम देखेगी, वो थ्रिलर, वो सस्पेंस, तो मतलब मैंने पूरे दिन बहुत कम पानी पिया, बहुत खाना वाना नहीं खाया। मेरा जो लड़का है मेरे साथ घर में, वो कह रहा था भैया आपने आज कुछ खाया पिया नहीं है। मैंने कहा यार ये तो पढ़ते वक्त ही जब इतना इंट्रीगिंग लगा मुझे, और ऊपर से गुनीत थी, धर्मा था एंड उमेश बिष्ट सर के साथ मौका मिल रहा था मुझे काम करने का, तो मैंने कहा यार ये तो आई थिंक बहुत बड़ी अपॉर्चुनिटी है और कंटेंट ड्रिवन चीज़ें कर रहा हूँ अब मैं, तो ये आई थिंक इससे डीप और इससे इंटरेस्टिंग कंटेंट मतलब लगता नहीं अभी तक कोई, क्योंकि बहुत अलग चीज आ रही है ये टीवी के और ओटीटी के लिए.
Yeah, and you know, you very well mentioned that when you see a combination of Guneet Monga and Karan Johar coming together, you know that it is something which is worth watching, and it would be. How much does it matter to you that, you know, something does justice to your caliber also as an actor, apart from the fact that where is it actually coming from?
I mean, you decline them, those parts, really.
Yeah, yeah. So,
I think
Sometimes you
I don't look at it like that. I don't think that it's just it's very instinctive for me. It's like if something speaks to me, it speaks to me, and if
Yeah.
it doesn't, it doesn't. The one thing that I have sort of become particular about, and I've been since at least the start of my OTT career, if
Yeah,
you may,
yeah.
is aligning with the right people. Because I think that, and right people doesn't mean only big names or
Yeah.
anything,
Yeah,
but
yeah.
just people whose work I am inspired by, who are credible, whose previous work gives me the assurance that I am in good hands, because I have learned everything on the job. I am somebody who's learned, I didn't go to an acting school, and so I want every single project to grow me as an actor. I want to learn something from it. My takeaway happens at the shooting stage only. जब
Right.
shoot खत्म होती है, मुझे पता होता है कि मेरे लिए experience fulfilling रहा कि नहीं रहा. उसके बाद success and what it will turn out to be, sometimes you know that's not in your hands as an actor. तो अब edit के बाद क्या होगा, फिर वो release कब होगा, कैसे release होगा, छोटा होगा, बड़ा होगा, लोगों को पसंद आएगा नहीं आएगा. Nothing is actually, you as an actor can't control anything. So the only thing that I have in control is my choices. So I choose to work with people who excite me as an artist.
yeah, yeah. And this is Gara Gara, and we, you know, many people think it's a magical moment, but I want you all to recall in your lives any moment which you think will be magical always.
Will be magical.
For you in your
in
memories,
memories, okay.
yeah, in the long time also it will always remain magical. Any moment that you all can think of.
हाँ, बहुत मोमेंट्स हैं ऐसे मेरी लाइफ में.
जैसे बताइए.
जैसे आई थिंक फर्स्ट इज ये किल टोरंटो, जब बहुत
Yes.
बड़ा सब फॉरेनर्स बैठे हैं और स्टैंडिंग ओवेशन मिली, वो बीच में रिएक्शन मिल रहा था, तो दैट वाज समथिंग रियली आई डिडंट, मतलब वो मेरे लिए बहुत मैजिकल वो एक्सपीरियंस था, क्योंकि मैं फिल्म ही नहीं देख पा रहा था बिकॉज वो जो रिएक्शंस आ रहे थे वो. और मिडनाइट मैडनेस बहुत बड़ा सेक्शन होता है टिफ में, वो मेन सेक्शन होता है कि वो जब सच्ची में फिल्म बफ्स आते हैं फिल्म देखने, तो वो मेरे लिए बहुत मैजिकल था. उससे पहले जाएं तो जब डीआईडी हुआ मेरे लिए मेरी लाइफ में, और उससे भी पहले चले जाएं तो माय फर्स्ट किस.
How cute.
So lovely.
तो वो मेरे लिए वैसे बहुत सारे हैं.
There you?
Yeah, for me, your personal moments with your family or with your friends, I think I'll put them above your professional achievements. Professional achievements, yes, so bagging a big part or achieving something, you'll have those milestones. But if you're just talking about a magical moment, then that will have to be there's several moments, but with your loved ones.
Kritika.
My first day on set. I had never seen a film shoot before that day. And my first day on set was on a set where I was an actor. I had not gone to see the
Is it
shoot.
in 2007 or before that?
Yeah,
Your
yeah.
first show was in 2007. I
Yeah, should
believe.
be, yes.
Yeah.
I'm really bad with years, but yes, you're right. Yeah. So my first show, and that's what I came from Delhi for. I came
Yeah.
for the shoot. So उससे पहले मुझे कोई आइडिया नहीं था कि फिल्में कैसे बनती हैं. मुझे बिल्कुल नहीं पता था. तो एक होता है ना कि हम किसी चीज़ को पर्दे पे ही देखते हैं, and there are people that we see, we know that it's make believe, but you don't know how it's made. And movies are magic. Filmmaking is absolutely magical. So when I saw it happen in front of me the first day, I instantly, it was love at first sight. I instantly fell in love and I said, ये मेरी दुनिया, this is where I want to be. मैं कुछ भी करूँगी एक सेट पे, अगर मुझे एक्टिंग नहीं भी करने को मिली, मैं कुछ भी कर लूँगी, but मुझे I want to be in the world of movies.
The three of you, you know, you all have your individual journeys. And Kritika, you know, recently I was talking to Mona Singh and she told me something interesting, that even Three Idiots did not change things for her the way OTT did.
Oh yeah?
In changing for her to, you know, break that television actor image and
Yeah.
for you know people to see beyond
Yeah.
what she has already done
Yeah.
on television. So first thing is, was it the same for you now with OTT? And secondly, how have you remained so relevant and you know gotten the similar kind of love over the years? Because
Thank you.
you know, right from
she's talented.
yeah with talent also, you know, I mean, to constantly keep yourself updated and improve with every work that you do is a talent, I think so.
Thank you. That means so much. You have no idea, because that's something I'm working towards. I'm not surprised hearing about Mona ma'am's experience, because the thing is that she was also at the I can't even compare myself. She was at the pinnacle of popularity on television.
Absolutely.
And Three Idiots is a very popular film.
Yeah.
But I think what it takes for a film actor to break out of that image is not visibility. A lot of people think that it's visibility.
Yeah.
TV actors already have the visibility and the popularity. ऐसा नहीं है कि लोग मोना सिंह को जानते नहीं थे और वो डिस्कवर हुई हैं Three Idiots में.
And also, sorry to interrupt, that also makes sense the way he put it.
Yeah.
That he reduced his visibility.
Yes.
By saying no to dance
Yes.
reality shows and stuff
Yes,
like
because
that.
a lot of people, for somebody who's not known before that,
Yeah.
for them it would maybe a part in Three
Yeah.
Idiots, or maybe what Sanju did for Vicky Kaushal,
Yes.
or you know, or so many people who get discovered in a big film like that.
Yeah.
For them it becomes a breakout. For someone who's already known and considered a good actor, उनको अलग तरीके का काम करना पड़ता है. And I also, that's why I mean I consciously choose roles that are surprising, because I can no longer, I'm not going to be discovered. I'm already, people know who I am.
Actor
they
है,
need
already
to
पता
see
है.
me in a new
बिल्कुल.
light. They need to see me in something that they can't imagine me in. Then they are going to take notice again.
Yeah.
Because the doing good is, I
Yeah.
mean, it's a good thing, but it's already expected. Ki, you know, so when
Yeah.
when Mona Singh has got the opportunity recently to be in Made in Heaven, Kala Pani, you know, and in really exciting parts, stuff that you've not seen her like that before.
Yeah,
You've
yeah.
not seen her, you know, attempt these kind of
Yes.
parts, look the way she's been styled, all of that. जब आपको उस light में लोग दिखते हैं, then you kind of reinvent yourself. So it's really subjective, and I think that it's far more difficult for a TV actor who's been popular at one time than for, you know, anybody who's not really been typecast or like accepted in one particular role to that extent.
राघव, आपकी तो पॉपुलैरिटी कुछ अलग ही है सोशल मीडिया पे, एंड यू हैव दिस फैन फॉलोइंग, और आपकी जो फन साइड और पर्सोना हर जगह निखर के आता है. इट इज़ सो वंडरफुल, बट इट्स सो ब्यूटिफुल हाउ यू ऑल्सो got this credibility now over the last, you know, few films as an actor. So how do you look at that journey and transition for you? And एक जो आपने बैलेंस बनाया हुआ है of doing different characters, और आपकी ऑफ स्क्रीन पर्सोना भी आपने बहुत अच्छे से मेंटेन कर रखा है, तो ये कैसे आप बैलेंस को देखते हो?
मैं
डीप क्वेश्चन था थोड़ा.
बैलेंस को कैसे देखता हूँ, मतलब
और पॉपुलर इस जर्नी को, है ना, ये ट्रांजिशन को.
when I was dancing I enjoyed
मतलब
dance.
डिफिकल्ट था, इजी था, कैसा था, मतलब हाउ डू यू लुक एट?
मस्त था, मजेदार था.
मस्त था.
हाँ, मजेदार था, और डिफिकल्टी ना हो तो फिर मजा नहीं आएगा
सही
ना.
बात है.
राफ्टिंग जब हम करते हैं वो मजा इसीलिए आता है क्योंकि डिफिकल्ट चीज है. रैपिड्स आ रहे हैं, रिस्क ले रहे हैं, बोट चलानी है, मैनेवर करना है, गिर भी सकते हैं रैपिड्स में, रिस्क भी है. अच्छा गिर गए तो संभल के रिलैक्स, तो वो सब वैसा ही लाइफ रहती है. और ऐसी लाइफ ना रहे और सिंपल रहे तो बोर हो जाओगे आप.
True.
है ना, तो वो राफ्टिंग जैसी रहनी चाहिए लाइफ. तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि मैंने जब व्हेन आई वाज डांसिंग आई एंजॉयड डांस. वो जो एक कला है, वो जो नृत्य है, मैंने उसको पूरा एंजॉय किया है. मेरी पूरी बीइंग ने उसे एंजॉय किया है. Now and then when I hosted without any baggages, without any inhibitions. मैं stage पे चढ़ता था और just I enjoyed it. I enjoyed myself. Now when I'm acting, I'm enjoying.
Yeah.
तो वो enjoyment वाला factor जो है वो मेरे ख्याल से काम करता है.
Yeah, and the man on your right is your opposite.
No,
It
he's
seems like so.
अंधेरे है.
No, he's more, you know, like the broody, the less spoken one. There you but
No,
how?
I take my time.
लेस स्पोकन वन की बात नहीं है. I think
I
मैं
speak
ज्यादा
when I'm
बोलता हूँ.
spoken to.
है ना, मैं ज्यादा बोलता हूँ ये.
Yeah.
But he takes people take time. सब एक जैसे हो जाएंगे तो फिर मेरे ख्याल से मजा नहीं
No, but
आएगा.
it's a lovely combination.
yes.
Yeah, and they're both true to themselves, you know. Really, and it translates on screen.
Yeah, it
Dhairya
does.
has this very captivating screen presence because he really can hold
He
his own.
speaks more through the eyes.
Yeah, and Raghav की goodness भी translate करती है. जो
Yeah.
off screen persona की है, वो on
Yeah.
screen he makes it endearing. He's
Yeah.
endearing, you know, even on screen.
Yeah. So there you're coming
Such
to you.
sweet co-actors I have backing.
Yeah.
They have my back always.
Yeah.
Thank
मैं तो
you.
धन्य हो गया.
I mean,
You have to love what to do.
Yeah. But there you have. Did you see a shift post
terms of-
Gehraiya in terms of the kind of offers that you were getting and
Definitely
you know, as an
more-
actor?
More opportunities, yes. A few things culminated, but in the end, they didn't go through. I did see a spike in opportunities, spike in recognition. Yeah, there was an elevation there, but again, it's okay. Some things go through and some things don't. There was a gap, and then here I am. Then I got what I wanted, which is precisely what Gyara Gyara is, precisely what Shaurya is. It took some time, but I am where I want to be. And doing the work I want to do.
Okay, thank you guys. This
thank
was so
you so
much
much.
fun.
Thank
This
you.
was fun.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. टाइगर जिंदा है.
ये
इंटरव्यू के बाद तक.
कितनी देर तक बचा के रखा था ये?
Tiger.
नहीं अभी एकदम
अभी आया है.
Zinda.